welcome back to another video, and I'm with Quan. And we are showing a couple of our Nerf guns, and comment down below what's your favorite Nerf gun. So I'm going to start first. So I have this gun. You might think it's from Gun vs. Gun. And comment down below if you ever saw Gun vs. Gun. So I'm going to show you how you use it. You load it right here. You cock it back. And here's your trigger, of course. And like that. So now Quan's going to show off one of his guns. And it pops. Hello, we're back. And we got Quan's gun. So he's going to explain all about it.
Well, it's pretty easy. You have to put one of it carries. This is one of the megas, Nerf Mega. It holds really big bullets. It comes with 2 bullets, but you can buy some at a store. I go to Walmart, and you can put one in here, and there's a slot right here. It's easy. Just gotta pull it back. It doesn't hurt that bad. It's really weak, but it's cool. All right,
we're gonna do the next one. Hello, welcome back, and we got my Strata bow. So I have like this little bow. It's super easy to shoot. There's like this little string. You cock it back and you let go like a regular bow. But it has like 15 bullets. You cock it down like this. Don't say it's broken. It's supposed to go like that. And you can just keep shooting. And when it goes all the way to the top and you have more bullets, you just cock it back down and keep shooting out. Once you're all gone, that's it. And there's a holster right here. You can put like 4 bullets in there. And yeah, that's all about my trial bow. This is my best bow. I mean, my best Nerf gun in this house. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Comment down below what's your favorite Nerf bow. There's like 2 of them. Just comment down below what's your favorite one. Okay?
Alright, who's that with my gun?
Yeah. Welcome back. It's Quan's turn to talk about his Nerf gun. And it's a rival, okay? It's in one of the Nerf guns. A new Nerf gun. So he's going to talk about it right now.
It's a rival. I really wouldn't recommend shooting each other in the face with this thing. It's the most powerful gun we have. And go back there, Nathan. Second most powerful gun we have.
Yeah,
we're not using that in this video, though. We have a whole bunch of Nerf guns. Well, this is how you load it. Put it back. Alright, that's the rest of this video.
Welcome. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Quan might make a YouTube channel. I'm saying he might. He might. But please subscribe to my channel. If you're watching, if you're new, hit that like button down below. And